So, question of the week here comes from Janine, and she says, "More great tips, thank you. Can you substitute a cotton calico or cotton duck for burlap over springs or webbing?" Having lots, she has a lot of this on hand. Well, my opinion is that you could, but the thing about burlap and jute, which is a jute. This is a chair. This is an 1860 chair that we've been featuring on that we're going to be featuring soon on the YouTube. This piece of burlap was taken off this chair. It's the original burlap. It's from 1860, and look, I mean, it's got holes in it. It's pulled over a little bit. It's stretched out. It did exactly what it was supposed to do over springs. Now, with anything else that you use, usually the substitute is actually too good. It's actually too tight. And what that means is that the springs aren't allowed to breathe. Springs do need to breathe. And with the burlap, not only on the top of the springs, but also the webbing on the bottom, which is also jute, heavy burlap, if you want to call it that. But they're both jute. And even the twines that we use to tie the springs, all natural and all proven over 150 to 200 years of use of these materials. When you start switching materials, I mean, certainly you could use a cotton, but you're not going to get the longevity out of your beautiful 8-way tie coil spring seat. So I would say go ahead and use it if you want, but I think a better use for what you have would be for outsides of furniture, to support the outsides of furniture. That's a great use for what you have. And burlap isn't necessarily good for that use. So really, upholstery is like very fine cooking, where just the right ingredients make a beautiful meal, but missing one or replacing another one, and people can tell. So I hope that helped you, Janine, and please keep watching. We know you're a subscriber. Tell your friends to subscribe, and all you other people out there, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.